Hi. So we have a story we're going to read. It's called Dinosaur Woods, and it's by George McClements. George McClements is the person who wrote the story, and he's also the one who drew the pictures. So we've got some fun stuff we're going to read here. It says, can 7 clever critters save their forest home? I wonder what's happening to their home. It's kind of scary to think about losing your home. So Dinosaur Woods. Look, we've got an outhouse here. Looks like there's maybe some stinky. Doesn't smell so good. Ugh. All right. In 4 days, 7 friends were going to lose their home. This troubled them greatly. Let's see. Can we count all 7 friends? Got 1, 2, 3. Do you see our snake down here? What's a snake say? We've got a deer. This is number 4. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. He's hiding up there. 6. Our bear takes up almost a whole page. 7. There's 7 friends. They tried to speak to the people responsible. Oops. Could we chat? Look, he got his head stuck in something. Got the snake down here. He's saying, hello up there. But for some reason, no one would listen. Anybody home? What do we have? What are we going to do? Asked Luke. We've tried everything. I know, said Rojo, but we can't give up. We need something new, something big, something amazing. Look. Watch those feet. Sorry, Milton. What do you think they're going to get that's big and new? I don't know. It's got to be something that's going to help them save their home. All right. So the friends started thinking. What? I think that's their thinking faces. You see that? And thinking. And thinking. He's standing on his head thinking. You see that? Until Rojo was struck by an idea. Actually, it was a piece of paper. So you see that? It's got a big piece of paper. It was stuck to him. Let's see, what does that paper say? Come see the amazing dinosaurs. Lifelike robotics. Truly the most special animals to have walked the earth. These dinosaurs will surely add some pizzazz to your day. They're the cat's meow. That's it, he cried. We'll build a dinosaur. There's no way they'll tear down our home if they think a dinosaur lives here. What did they just say? Did they say tear down their home? That might mean something kind of scary, huh? Everyone agreed. The friends spent the rest of the day collecting materials. All right, what do we have here? What is this? We have some sticks. What else do we have? What is that? Yep, some leaves. These are vines. The vines kind of look like ropes, huh? Let's see what else we got. We've got logs and borrowed burlap. You know what burlap is? Burlap is like a kind of fabric. They'll make bags and stuff out of it sometimes. All right. Then Rojo spent the next 36 hours working in total secrecy until... Do I hear power tools? Yep. Big ones. So what do you think? What do you think he's got going? The dinosaur was finished. Look at that. How does it work? Asked Jimbo. Look, it's got all sorts of pieces. See, it's got some sticks up here. What else can you see about that dinosaur? What are some things that he has? Well, it's got some teeth. Maybe a long tail. Rojo took a deep breath. He crossed his fingers, and then he roared a terrifying roar. Roar! Can you roar like a dinosaur? It worked. The men ran for their lives. Look, there's two men running here. It says, yikes! We gotta tell somebody! Oh my goodness. What just happened? What happened? Did he crash? Great big letters. It says, crash! When the dust cleared, the friends found themselves surrounded by cameras and clipboards. Get ready for some shouting, said Rojo. And he was right. How do all the friends look? What do you think they look like? Do they look happy? Not really happy. Maybe look worried or concerned. There was shouting. Excited shouting. People were excited? Huh. A big-mouthed jinx fox. A bronchial woodpecker. A Himalayan frost bear. Crabby-faced punching rabbits. Look, do you see? They're punching themselves or punching each other. It's not a nice thing to do. No. A left-footed klutz deer. That makes sense. A drop-tail otter. See? You see he dropped part of his tail. It turned out that the friends were something called endangered. And in Milton's case, extinct. An important scientist declared the tiny patch of woods a protected site, and she named it Dinosaur Woods. So in the end, the small group of friends did have something to save their home. Dinosaur Woods Nature Preserve. The end. So it says you can build your own dinosaur here. Okay? So all you need is some newspaper, wrapping paper, brown paper bag, sandpaper. It says check the recycling bin for this stuff. Sketch a dinosaur, any kind you want, or try the one from the book, but don't draw the legs. That part comes later. Use crowns or colored pencils to give your dino some detail. Using a penny, trace 2 circles for the dinosaur's legs. So you see this? And trace 2 circles. Cut out the dinosaur and 2 circles. Take your time. Stick your fingers through the holes, and ta-da! Your dinosaur is on the move. Do you see that? Put your fingers through there. What did you think of the story? Was that a fun story? So, do you remember we talked about somebody who wrote the story? Do you remember what we called him? Was it an author? Yeah. Do you remember our author was George McClement? That's somebody who writes a story. He's also called the illustrator. That's another big word. So, Dinosaur Woods. What was your favorite part of the story? Something really cool. It was kind of different. So I want you to see if you can make your own dinosaur. So they gave some suggestions on some stuff that you could use, but you can use whatever you'd like if you just want to draw a picture. But don't forget to trace the penny. You could also trace any piece of coin and put your fingers through so you can have your dinosaur move. And if he has 4 legs, you can do 4 pennies and have your dinosaur move. All right, I will see you guys later.